Do you crave upgrades that'll make you the envy of the campground? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the items that are guaranteed to make you say, wow, why didn't I get this sooner? So let's get ready, get set, and camp. Struggling to get a fire going, especially when the weather isn't cooperating? Forget flimsy lighters and unreliable matches. The Zippo Mag Strike is a game changer for anyone who wants a dependable way to start a campfire. This little powerhouse features a ferrocerium rod which throws sparks when scraped with the included striker. These sparks are hot enough to ignite tinder, dry leaves, or even wet wood shavings. And ferro rods don't wear down easily, and it doesn't require a battery or fuel. The Mag Strike itself is built tough with a corrosion-resistant rod and a durable plastic body. Plus, it has a handy snap lock closure to keep everything protected and a built-in lanyard hole so you can attach it right to your gear. Looking for a backpack that can handle anything your next adventure throws your way? The NEVO RHINO hiking backpack might just be your perfect match. This backpack comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from 25 liters all the way up to 45 liters, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Made with high-quality, rip-proof, and waterproof fabrics, this backpack is built to last. The shoulder straps and back panel are padded with breathable mesh, so you'll stay comfortable even on long treks. And don't worry about the unexpected showers. The NEVO RHINO also comes with a detachable rain cover to keep your gear dry. So for the price of just $44, this hiking backpack offers a ton of features and functionality. Imagine waking up to a warm and cozy RV or tent, even in the dead of winter. The Hcalory 12-volt portable diesel air heater can make that dream a reality. This powerful little heater puts out 5 kilowatts of heating power, which is enough to take the edge off and keep you comfortable in most chilly conditions. It's also incredibly versatile. Use it in your RV, car, boat, truck, or even in your tent, with proper ventilation, of course. Certified and safe, this heater complies with all local, state, and federal safety regulations. Plus, it's equipped with automatic shutdown and overload protection, so you can enjoy peace of mind. Now, the price for this item starts at around $110, which is a pretty good value for a heater of this kind of power output. This next item might be the perfect addition to your ultralight camping kit, the Caveman Grill Mini. As the name suggests, this grill is all about miniaturization. It folds completely flat, weighs in at under 2 pounds, and fits easily into your backpack. Despite its compact size, the Caveman Grill Mini boasts some impressive features. It can feed up to 8 people, so you can enjoy a delicious meal with friends and family wherever you go. It works with charcoal, pellets, wood chips, sticks, or even the propane burner attachment for added versatility. So whether you're planning a big bushcraft breakfast or just grilling up some burgers and steaks, the Caveman Grill Mini has got you covered. And before we move on to the next gadget, I kindly ask that you crush that like and subscribe button. It just helps us to be able to make more videos to bring you awesome camping stuff. Thanks for taking a quick second to do that. Alright, now back to the good stuff. Grab yourself the ultimate companion for hikers and minimalist adventures, the Gorilla 50 Ultralight Backpack. They're calling it a new era for Gorilla, and with all the upgrades, it sounds pretty impressive. This pack is designed for thru hikers and minimalists who prioritize lightweight without sacrificing features and durability. Its patent-pending system features a closed aluminum frame that flexes with your body for a more comfortable carry. It also pairs with a pivoting hip belt that contours to your hips for a chafe-free experience. Plus, the new load lifters work with the frame to distribute weight evenly across your shoulders and hips, reducing fatigue. Priced at $270, which is on par with other high-end ultralight backpacks, the Gorilla 50 is definitely worth considering. Stainless steel axe blade with a patent-pending clamping system, ensuring a secure and stable attachment. It also includes a knife blade, hammerhead, gut hook, hex wrench set, hex bit driver socket, bottle opener, lanyard hole, carabiner, and a ruler. But there's more. This multi-tool also comes with the ballistic nylon sheath for easy and safe storage. However, it does not come with a handle. Its unique design allows you to attach your own handle, such as from a sturdy branch you may find on your camping trip. So if you're looking for a versatile and compact multi-tool that can handle a variety of tasks, the KLAX Lumberjack is a fantastic option. Introducing the Rainleaf Disposable Towel, a versatile and convenient solution for your camping hygiene needs. These magic compressed towel tablets are a game changer for anyone who needs a convenient and portable washcloth. Simply pop a tablet in cold or warm water for a few seconds and it'll expand into a soft 15 by 10 inch washcloth. Made from high quality cotton, these towels are soft enough for bathing and absorbent enough for general cleaning. Each tablet comes individually wrapped for ultimate sanitation, and the compact size makes them perfect for travel, camping, the gym, or anywhere you need a quick cleanup. They're also safe and unscented, free of any harsh chemicals. At just $12 for 30 tablets, these compressed towels are a must-have for any adventurer or busy person on the go. Stay cozy and mobile with the Selk'bag Lite Adult Sleeping Bag. The Selk'bag Lite Wearable Sleeping Bag is a cozy and convenient option for staying warm on camping trips, road trips, or even just lounging at home. This one-person sleeping bag is made from recycled materials and features a soft polyester shell with synthetic insulation that keeps you warm in temperatures between 48 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with an adjustable hood, hand enclosures, and removable booties for added comfort. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just toss it in the washing machine on cold and hang it to dry. For around $150, the Selk'bag Lite might just be your new best friend for comfortable camping adventures. Do you crave delicious espresso but hate giving up precious space in your backpack for a bulky coffee maker? Well, the Wacaco Nanopresso might be your perfect cup of joe solution. This nifty little gadget is a portable espresso maker that's about the size of a water bottle. It doesn't need any batteries or electricity. All you need is hot water, finely ground coffee, and a little muscle power. By pumping the Nanopresso, you can create high-quality espresso shots with a beautiful, rich crema on top. And it even comes with a handy carrying case to protect it from bumps and scratches while you're on the move. At $85, it's a bit of an investment, but for coffee enthusiasts who can't imagine a camping trip without that perfect espresso pick-me-up, this might just be worth that splurge. Don't forget to protect the bottom of your tent from rocks, branches, and moisture. The AYAMAYA tent footprint is a budget-friendly solution that does just that. Made from 210T PU3000 waterproof polyester, this tent footprint is both durable and reliable. It comes in a variety of sizes to fit your tent, from a cozy 5x7 for a solo trip or to a roomy 13x9 for a family campout. And it even comes with 6 aluminum stakes to secure it in place. All of that for a price ranging from $20 to $33 depending on the size you need. So ditch the soggy mornings and extend the life of your tent with the AYAMAYA tent footprint. And if you enjoy these gadgets, you're definitely going to want to click on this next video. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. And if you've ever used one of these gadgets, let us know in the comments if you liked it. And once again, be sure to crush that like and subscribe button so we can keep bringing you camping content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.